I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question number 4, page 441, Trigonometry, Unit 7, Self-Test. Many students have asked for it. Let us see how to solve this particular equation. The quadratic equation a cos square x plus b cos x minus 1 equals to 0, where x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equals to 2 pi, has the solution pi by 3, pi and 5 pi by 3. What are the values of a and b? Now, what we are really given is the quadratic equation and also its solution. We need to find the coefficients a and b. Now, since the solution is in terms of cosine and cos of pi by 3, cos of pi, cos of 5 pi by 3 are parts of solution, we can actually use this information to find the factors for this quadratic equation, right? So our approach is to find the factors using the given solution. Now let us see what these angles are. So first angle given to us is pi by 3. So pi by 3 is kind of like this. Let me just sketch one. So that is pi by 3. Now what is cos of pi by 3? That is what you should find. To find cos of pi by 3, I can take help of my special triangle, right? So special triangle is, here is pi by 3 for us, 1, 2 and square root of 3. Cos of pi by 3 is half. That means that value of half forms one of the factors, correct? So we could write a factor as 2 cos x minus 1. Do you see that? Now this factor is going to be 0 for cos x equals to half. You get the idea, right? So that is how these solutions can relate to the factors. That is what I wanted to share with you. And now I think you can pause the video, solve the question, and then look into my suggestion. Okay? So that is how you're going to find the values. 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3 actually is in quadrant 4, right? So that is, this one is 5 pi by 3. The acute angle is still pi by 3. So that gives you the same factor. To find the other factor, we have to use pi. Now, what value of cos gives us pi? For that, I prefer to actually sketch the cosine graph. So if you sketch the cosine graph, you will know what is the value at pi, right? So value at pi is minus 1. You know, cos of pi is equals to minus 1. That means cos value of minus 1 should relate to another factor. So my second factor here is cos x plus 1. Do you see that? So that is my second factor, and this equation should be equal to 0. Let me write 0 this time on the left side. Just same thing. So from these given solutions, we can actually find the cosine values which help us to get the factors. So that means if these are the solutions, then my factors for quadratic equation are 2 cos x minus 1 times cos x plus 1. Now I need to expand. Let's expand and simplify. So 2 cos x times cos x gives us 2 cos square x. 2 cos x plus 1 times gives us 2 cos x. When you multiply by minus 1, we get minus cos x and minus 1. Now let's simplify. We get 2 cos square x, and here we get plus cos x minus 1. Now what we should do is we should compare our equation with the given equation, which is a cos square x plus b cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So if you compare these equations, you can write down your answer. Your answer is a equals to 2, right? A equals to 2, b equals to 1, b equals to 1. These are the two coefficients which you wanted to find. So these are our answers. I have a similar question, and I will provide a link for that in this video. Have a look at that question also. These are very popular questions amongst the thinking problems in the test. I hope they help you to get good marks. Thank you and all the best.